Hey! What's up guys? Welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create OpenAI Chat API to use in our project. First we will create an API key by going to OpenAI platform. Search for the OpenAI API on Google and click the OpenAI official website appeared in the search results. Click on Sign Up, and use your Google account to log into OpenAI account. You will find a setting icon on the right top corner. Click on this icon to open the settings page. On the left side, you will find API Keys menu. Click on this API Keys menu to open the API page. Click on Create New Secret Key button. Write any name for your secret key, you can leave this field blank. Select Default Project from drop-down menu. And click on Create Secret Key. Copy the newly generated secret key and save this key on a safe place for future use. And don't share your secret key with anyone. After creating the secret key, we need to install the OpenAI Python package in Visual Studio Code. Open the terminal and type the following command to install the Python package. After the OpenAI package installation, we need a Python code snippet to interact with the bot by using API key. We will use ChatGPT to generate a Python code. I will write this prompt to create the code. Create a simple chatbot in Python using Chat 3.5 Turbo. This command will generate a Python code with all instructions to create our simple chatbot. As per ChatGPT instructions, first we need to install the OpenAI package in order to interact with the chatbot. We already done installing this package, so we need to copy the code generated by the ChatGPT and paste the code in a file with the name of chatbot.py. You can also find this code in the video description. After this, we need to copy and paste the API key to interact with ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. You can also change the ChatGPT model later as per your needs. We don't need to change any other thing in this code. Just put your API key and your chatbot is ready to run. Now it's time to run the code. In terminal window, type Python with your file name to run the code. In our case, we have created a file with the name of chatbot.py. So I will type python chatbot.py. And our program will display the default message, "Hello, I am your chatbot," type exit to end the chat. So let's see our chatbot is working or not. I will type hello message to talk with chatbot. And the chatbot returned an error. You exceeded your current quota. This means we don't have any tokens in our account. So we need to recharge the account in order to interact with the chatbot. We can purchase OpenAI tokens by going to OpenAI website. Go to Playground page to purchase the tokens. You can see a message, you don't have any API credits. Click on Finish Account Setup to complete the payment setup. Click on Add Payment and enter the necessary details. And click on Continue. Set your initial credit purchase. You need to purchase minimum $5 as initial credit. And off the automatic recharge option if you don't want to recharge your account automatically. Click Continue, and click on Confirm Payment to add $5 credit balance in your account. You can see, a balance of $5 has been added in my account. Now let's ask any question from our chatbot to verify if the chatbot is working. First we need to run the chatbot by using python chatbot.py command. And begin the interaction with chatbot by typing hi message. You can see, our chatbot is returned an answer like we get in ChatGPT. Now we can ask any question from chatbot, like we can ask, who is the current president of USA? And it will return the answer as per their knowledge. As per OpenAI documentation, ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo data is updated till September 2021. Which means our chatbot can answer the question from data earlier than September 2021. For example, if we ask from bot that when is the upcoming elections in USA, it will return an answer as per his knowledge. Let's try the ChatGPT models to find the last data update. In OpenAI Playground page and you will find all the settings of your chatbot. Currently, we are using 3.5 Turbo engine. Let's ask a question within chat window. And it's giving the answer from the data till September 2021. Now let's change to model to GPT-40. And ask the same question from the bot. Now it's showing the same answer but also showing that the data is updated till October 2023. When you open the model window, you will find a lot of other GPT models, like GPT-01 mini model. Let's select this model and ask the same question from this model. You can see this model is also showing the same information as shown by the GPT-40 model. You can try different models to find the models which is giving the latest and updated data. To view the usage history and account balance, go to Settings icon on the right top, and find the Usage menu on the right. Here you will find your usage data and other information like your current month usage, your spend data according to project. On billing page, you can find the remaining balance of your account. On the pricing page, you can find the prices of the different GPT models.